Suppose that the following are lengths in millimeters of radish seedlings grown in identical conditions for 3 days. So to find the mean, we have to first add up all of those values. It's easier for me if they are stacked, so that way I can figure out how to add the ones place and then the tens place. Okay. Ooh, this is a bit of a mess. All right, so 4 and 1 make 5, plus 2 is 7, 8, 9, 10, 14, 17. 17 plus 9 is 26, 29, 30, 33, 39, 42. So our ones place is a 2, and we've got 4 plus 1 is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So our total is 182. Then I have to divide that by 15 because there are 15 values. 15 fits into 18 one time. 8 minus 5 is 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. Bring down your 2. 32 can fit 2 sets of 15. That gives you 30. The decimal is down here. They need to be lined up. Bring down a 0. 5 remains. Bring down another 0. 15 can go into 53 times, which gives you 45. And then that's just going to keep going. So our mean is just over 12. It's 12.13, and the 3 just keeps repeating. One way we notate that is with that line on the top. In part B, it says interpret the value from part A in terms of the fair share mean length. This means if every radish was the same height, meaning if we shared the height so they all were the same height, the height of each would be 12.13 millimeters. So they'd be 12.13 millimeters tall.